Hi everyone, Stuart here. It's Wednesday, the 2nd of October. We've just had the main news data or economic data of the day. It's the ADP non-farm payrolls data. It's coming 5,000 jobs lighter at 135,000, but more or less in line with the expectations of 140,000. However, the previous month was revised down by 38,000 to 157,000, so that's quite a significant revision to the downside. Initially, euro ticked up here, dollar weakened a tad as we moved down here, but we're still over the 109.25 level. This morning we've been as low as 109.04, putting a nice little you could get that's a bit of a tweezer bottom there this morning of these three strong candles down. We bounced off that, but we're capped here at 109.36, the top of the candles here, and higher up at 109.45. So just under the midline in the Bollinger Band at the moment at 109.29. Not a lot to give direction for euro dollar for the rest of the day. Pound, on the other hand, again another one that moved down as the dollar was gaining buys this morning into 122.25 this morning. Remember yesterday's low 122.05 within a smidge of 122. We've bounced off that this morning. Not a great deal of information in Prime Minister Johnson's speech to the Tory faithful in Manchester. However, we had a go at 123 and it's rolled back down in the current hour. So again, a little directionless, but up off its lows of 122.25 this morning, capped at 123. Yen's had a good day. Yen's been in demand here. Big move down yesterday. Again, rejecting this 108.50. We never got that high, 108.45 yesterday. Big move down early yesterday afternoon, and sideways through the Asian session. And then today, the European session, we've been down, and we're currently breaching the 107.50 level. So 100 plus pip move in the last 24 hours for dollar yen, all to the downside as yen remains in demand. Oil inventories was a bit of a surprise yesterday. This is the daily. Let me just take this into the bit of a surprise yesterday. So oil was obviously moving down. We had that big sell-off in equities, which we'll come to in a minute. We were within a few pips of $53 yesterday afternoon. We've rallied back over 53. Over 54 this morning, but then we've come back down. So the higher time frame remains down to the weak side. So after the shock of the attack on the Saudi production facilities a couple of weekends ago, we've been down ever since, so overplaying that one and continues to decline today. The official inventories are expecting a 2 million barrel build in inventories today, so we'll see how that pans out, if that's in line with the private numbers from yesterday. Gold, a big week day yesterday, down here at 1460. We recovered and then we recovered again and back over the 1486 so far today. We had a strong morning today. Some buyers down here at this 1475 level, so 1486 remains that key end of day support level. But again, if we take sort of the daily time frame, you can see that we're still moving down quite significantly in the last week or so for gold. So there we go, intraday moving up a tad. So finish with equities and the USA 500. Again, yesterday moved down, and we moved down again this morning. We moved down here at 2915 has been breached this morning. We're back to 2923 here, the futures. Market's open in about 40 minutes, the cash market. But again, we breached that key 2960 level yesterday as well. So equities remain to the downside, and we've had a big move down in the DAX and the the UK 100 as well today. So trade carefully. See you all again tomorrow. Not a great deal of data out of the US session. Lots of Fed speak, but not any economic data to get your teeth into as we await NFP on Friday. So take care, trade carefully, and we'll see you all again soon. All the best, everyone. Bye bye.